Okay, good morning students. I'm dealing that is degree second year BJC chemistry class. So already we are discussing about preparation of carbonyl compounds. Already we learned that is preparation of carbonyl compounds from nitriles is completed, preparation of carbonyl compounds from acid chloride and preparation of carbonyl compounds from 1,3 dithioanes are completed. Now we have to going to see how to prepare carbonyl compounds from carboxylic acids. All of you know about carboxylic acid. What is the formula of carboxylic acid? That is RCOOH. This is the formula of carboxylic acid. So now how to prepare carbonyl compounds from carboxylic acid? See first preparation of formaldehyde. So how to prepare formaldehyde from carboxylic acid? We have to take calcium formate. This is calcium formate. I am taking 2 moles of calcium formate. Undergoes pyrolysis. Pyrolysis means heating at high temperature. Pyrolysis means heating at high temperature. We get here formaldehyde and 2 molecules of calcium carbonate. And next preparation of other aldehydes. That is carbonyl compounds, acetaldehyde. So how to prepare acetaldehyde from carboxylic acid? So now we have to take here dimethyl formate react with calcium formate, undergoes pyrolysis and we get here acetaldehyde and calcium carbonate. So here what happens in here and on pyrolysis what happened? Pyrolysis means lysis means what? Breaking of bonds in the presence of heat. That is known as pyrolysis. What happens when we are heating dimethyl formate and calcium formate? Upon heating, what happens? Here elimination of calcium carbonate takes place. Elimination of calcium carbonate. Here elimination of calcium carbonate takes place. Now what happens? We are getting here 2 molecules of acetaldehyde and 2 molecules of calcium carbonate. So now how to prepare ketones? So here we are taking only 1 molecule of calcium salt. We are taking and taking only 1 molecule. That is only 1 molecule of calcium salt. Now what happens upon heating? Gives ketones and calcium carbonate. So see here, I am taking here 2 methyl groups. This is dimethyl formate. Dimethyl formate upon heating they produce acetone and calcium carbonate. And how to prepare diphenyl ketone? Here I am taking here 2 methyl groups are replaced by 2 phenyl groups. 2 methyl groups are replaced by here 2 phenyl groups. Upon heating, what happens? Elimination of calcium carbonate will take place and we are getting here diphenyl ketone. So once see the reaction from carboxylic acid. How to prepare carbonyl compounds from carboxylic acid? So we have to see here preparation of formaldehyde. So I am taking here hydrogens. I am taking here hydrogen. This is calcium formate. Calcium formate undergoes pyrolysis and we get here formaldehyde. And next what happens? Now we are going to produce aldehyde. So how to produce aldehyde? So here in calcium formate we have to replace 2 hydrogens by 2 methyl groups. Hydrogens are replaced by 2 methyl groups. Now what happens here? Elimination of calcium carbonate we get here acetaldehyde. Now how to prepare ketones? How to prepare ketones here? 2 hydrogens and here see here 2 alkyl groups are replaced by 2 methyl groups. Upon heating gives ketone. This is the preparation of aldehydes from carboxylic acids. Next undergoes oxidation. How to prepare carbonyl compounds? Methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketones. So special methods, that is oxidation of arenes. So first, what is meant by arene? What is meant by arene? Arene means alkyl benzene. So the next method, that is special methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketones. So how to prepare aldehydes and ketones by using special methods. That is first one is oxidation of arenes. So see here, what is meant by arene? What is meant by arene? Arene means alkyl benzene. Alkyl benzene is known as arenes. Alkyl benzene is known as arenes. What is meant by oxidation? What is meant by oxidation? Oxidation means gaining of oxygen and losing of electron and losing of hydrogen is known as oxidation. So here oxidation of arenes. So here see this reaction, this is aryl benzene, this is known as benzylic carbon. The carbon which is attached to benzene ring is known as benzylic carbon. This is benzyl carbon. The benzyl carbon undergoing oxidation. So here I am using chromium trioxide and acetic anhydride. These are known as oxidizing agents. What is meant by oxidizing agent? What is meant by oxidizing agent? Already you know what is oxidation. Gaining of oxygen, losing of electron, losing of hydrogen. These are known as oxidation. What is meant by oxidizing agent? The agent which makes oxidation. The agents which makes oxidation is known as oxidizing agent. See here this reaction, here chromium trioxide and acetic anhydride, they are known as oxidizing agents. Means the mixture of these two compounds makes oxidizing this benzyl carbon. The mixture of chromium trioxide and acetic anhydride, they are oxidizing this benzyl carbon is known as oxidizing agent. Now what happened? Here the benzylic carbon react with chromium trioxide and acetic anhydride, and the conditions, that is 0 to 5 degrees temperature. Now what happened here? Two hydrogen groups are replaced by acetate groups. Two hydrogen groups are replaced by two acetate groups. Upon hydrolysis gives ketones, gives carboxylic carbonyl compounds. See the reaction oxidation of arenes. So here benzylic carbon undergoing oxidize in the presence of chromium trioxide and acetic anhydride. The conditions are 0 to 5 degrees temperature. We are getting an intermediate compound. Here two benzylic hydrogens are replaced by acetate groups, and they undergoes hydrolysis and produce carbonyl compounds. This is the oxidation of arene. Now how to produce carbonyl, how to produce aldehydes, and how to produce ketones. So we can see in next reaction. Fast.